Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 9. I have already explained chapter 1, chapter 2, and these chapters were belong to history. Now today I am going to explain a new chapter, and that is belong to geography. Okay. Now here chapter 9. Today it is the first lecture of chapter 9, standard 6 SS, and the name of the chapter is the earth our habitat. The earth our home. Habitat means, okay, home, because we are living. Okay, from the word habitat, the word habitation came. Okay, now the earth our habitat. My dear student, we are living on earth. We are living on earth, and earth is very huge. The earth is very huge. Okay, but before I say something about earth, I would like to explain a small information about solar system that I am going to explain in my next video. That I am going to explain about solar system in my next video. Before that, I would like to explain about something about earth, about globe, pole star, latitudes, longitudes, rotation and revolution. In next video, I will explain about solar system. But before I start about the earth, I have to give little information about the solar system, because the earth is the part of solar system, because the earth is also a part of solar system. Now when we consider about solar system, when we say about solar system, sun is there in a center, and around the sun, all the planets they take round, they move around the sun. All the planets they move around the sun, okay, due to the gravitational force. Okay, so in a solar system, sun is there. Okay, then 8 planets are also there. Okay, that I am going to explain in the next time, but today I am saying about earth. Okay, so earth is also a part of solar system. We are living on earth. Now if we consider, we know the shape of the earth is round. We know the shape of the earth is round, but it's not like a ball is round. Ball, when you play cricket or football, volleyball. Okay, I am not saying about rugby, huh? Because the ball of the rugby is not round. Okay, so we know football, volleyball or tennis ball. Okay, cricket ball. So the shape of the earth is round, but not like a ball. Okay, the earth is like an orange. It is just like an orange, have you eaten orange, the fruit? Orange, the shape of the orange is round, but both the parts, upper part and down part, they are little flat. Okay, like that, the shape of the earth is round, but north pole and south pole, okay, both parts are little flat. Okay, so here we can say here, okay, this part and this part are little flat. Okay, got it? Here I have drawn two pictures of the earth. The shape of the earth is round, but this part, okay, this part is little flat. Got it? So once again I repeat, the shape of the earth is not round. It looks like an orange, we can say. The shape of the earth is like an orange. Okay, round shape is there, but the upper part and down part, it is little flat. Got it? So the shape of the earth. Okay, now second thing, my dear student, if you want to know about the globe, if you want to know about earth, first thing, we have one tool that is called globe. We have one tool to study about the earth, that is called globe. My dear student, here we have one example, one model of the earth. Okay, on this thing you will find different colors are there, different lines are there. Okay, different lines are there, as well as the name of the some continents, oceans, countries are also written. So this is called globe. This is called globe. On this globe, you will find different lines are drawn. Different lines are drawn. Okay, some lines are sleeping line and some lines are standing line. Okay, so different lines are drawn. Name of the continents and countries and the oceans are written. So we can say the globe is the model to study about the earth. We can say it is a replica. Can we get? Okay, we can say it's a replica also. Okay, now one thing I would like to say, that on earth different lines are drawn. Okay, just I said imaginary, these lines are called imaginary lines. Okay, imaginary lines are drawn. Some lines are vertical and some lines are horizontal. Okay, some lines are vertical and some lines are horizontal. Now horizontal lines, the imaginary horizontal lines, they are called latitudes. Okay, latitudes mean imaginary horizontal lines drawn on earth are called latitudes. Got it? And when we consider about vertical lines, that is called longitudes. Got it? Got it? Longitudes are vertical lines and horizontal lines. Okay. Now here we can say this is the earth, the shape of the earth. Got it? Now here this part is little flat. Okay. In center one line is drawn. That is called 0 degree. 0 degree line is drawn. Okay. My dear student, this 0 degree imaginary line, that is called equator. That is called equator. That is called equator. Okay, first I would like to explain about the definition of latitude, longitude. Okay, now if I ask the question, what are latitudes, what are latitudes, so you have to answer the horizontal imaginary lines, the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on earth are called latitudes. Got it? Horizontal imaginary lines drawn on earth are called latitudes. Got it? If the definition is asked what are longitudes, you have to answer the imaginary vertical lines, the imaginary vertical lines drawn on earth are called longitudes. Got it? So got the definition, what are called latitudes and what are called longitudes. Okay, now take the example. Here I am saying something about latitudes. Okay, the imaginary 0 degree, the 0 degree imaginary horizontal line, the 0 degree imaginary horizontal line drawn on the earth, which divides the earth into two parts, which divides the earth into two parts, north and south. Okay, that is called equator. Okay, if I ask definition, what is an equator? What you have to write down? The 0 degree horizontal line, the 0 degree horizontal line which passes from the center of the earth, which divides the earth into two parts, north and south, that is called equator. That is called equator. Now, my dear student, if I say latitudes, okay, so how many latitudes are there? Do you know? There are 181. How many latitudes are there? There are 181 latitudes are there. How? I will tell you. Okay. This is 0 degree, that is 1. Okay. 0 degree means that is called equator. What it? From 0 degree till here 90 degree and here 90 degree S. Okay, so here 90 latitudes are there in a south, 90 latitudes are there in north. Okay, so means 0 degree equator, that is 1. Okay, that is called 1. Okay, 1 latitude. Then in north 90 latitudes are there, and in south 90 latitudes are there. So total 181. How many are there? Total 181 latitudes are there. 0 degree equator. Okay. From here we can say from 0 degree that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 90. From 0 we have to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have to count till 90. So here 90 latitudes are there, here 90 latitudes are there. So 90 plus 90, it becomes 180, and in the center 1 is there, that is called 0 degree. So total 181 latitudes are there. Got it? Okay. Which are the important latitudes? The equator, then 23.5 degree N, that is called Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and 23.5 degree S, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, got it? So equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, then 66.5 degree N, that is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree south, that is called Antarctic Circle. Okay, so how many important latitudes are there? There are 5 important latitudes. Which are they? 0 degree, that is called equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Got it? So these are called important latitudes. Got it? Got it? If I ask how many important latitudes are there, which are they, you have to write the answer. There are 5 important latitudes on the earth. They are 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree N, that is called Tropic of Cancer. Third one, 23.5 degree S, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. Fourth, 66.5 degree N, that is called Arctic Circle. And last one, fifth, 66.5 degree S, that is called Antarctic Circle. Got it? So how many important latitudes are there? 5. that I have already drawn, I have written. Okay, if I ask a question that what is Tropic of Cancer, so what would be the answer? An imaginary line 23.5 degree N. Got it? Once again I repeat, 23.5 degree N. Okay, N means north. Imaginary line that is drawn in the northern hemisphere. N means north. That is called Tropic of Cancer. Got it? Now 23.5 degree S, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree N, that is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree S, that is called Antarctic Circle. Got it? So these are called latitudes. Okay. Now about longitudes. Now what are called longitudes? Just I say vertical imaginary lines. Okay. Now we can say here, this is the shape of the earth. Got it? Now here 0 degree is there. Okay. Here also 0 degree, and this is called longitude. This is called longitude. Okay, 0 degree. My dear student, 0 degree, the equator divides the earth into two halves, north and south. Similar way, H pramane, 0 degree longitude divides the earth into two parts, and they are east and west. Okay, eastern part and western part. We are living in eastern part. Our India is in eastern part. Okay, so got it? From here 0 degree, then 1 degree longitude, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, like that. 179 is there. 179 eastern side, 179 western side, then 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree, that is called GMT, and one more, that is called 180 degree, that is called IDL. Total 360. Total 360 longitudes are there. 0 degree, from here we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 179. Till 179 east side, 179 west side. So 179 eastern side, 179 western side, then one, that is called 0 degree. 0 degree, that is also longitude, no? That is called GMT, and IDL. IDL means 180. So there are from 1 till 179 two types latitudes are there, eastern side and western side. Okay, longitudes are there. Okay, longitude, one longitude east, one longitude west, second longitude east, second longitude west, third longitude east, third longitude west. Like that we have to count 179 and 180. There are not two times 180. 180 longitude, 180 longitude, that is only for one time. Okay, so one time 180 degree longitude, one time 0 degree longitude. So 1 and 1 2, and these are called 358. Okay, so total 360. How many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes. Got it? Got it? Now here if I say which are the important longitudes, which are the important longitudes, you have to write down there are two important longitudes, and they are 0 degree, that is called GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time, why it is called Greenwich Mean Time? Because 0 degree passes from the city Greenwich in England. Greenwich in England, that is why it is called GMT. Okay? And 180 degree, my dear student, all the longitudes they pass from water bodies and land area, but only one longitude, that is 180 degree, that doesn't pass from any land area, that passes only from water bodies, that is called Pacific Ocean. Got it? Once again, all the longitude they pass from any area, either it is water area or land area, but only one, that is called 180 degree longitude, that passes only from water bodies, and that is called Pacific Ocean, and that is why it is not drawn as a semicircle, it is zigzag. It is zigzag. Got it? Okay. So today we have learned about the shape of the earth, location, globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, my dear student, one more thing that I would like to explain about the zone. Here I would like to say something about zone that I am going to explain tomorrow, but little bit information I am giving. Okay, this area receives maximum heat, that is all, it is called torrid zone. Torrid zone, this area they are getting a less heat, that is why it is called temperate zone. And this area they get very less heat, that is why that is called frigid zone, that I am going to explain tomorrow. Okay, my dear student, once again whatever I have said, that you, if you have time, you can write down in your notebook. Okay, no problem. Again I am going to explain these things. I have already explained when I explained the chapter 5 earlier in old textbook. That time these things I have already explained. Again I am going to explain. Next time we will learn more about zones, rotation, revolution and the solar system. Thank you.